Hi, my name's Matthew, and I'm a Technical Enablement Specialist at Emesent. In this video, I'll show you how to use measurement tools in Commander to quickly check distances and dimensions in the field directly from the live point cloud. Commander includes a measure line tool, which allows you to measure between points in your live point cloud. You can use the measure line tool to measure spans, clearances, and feature lengths, create multi-point-to-point paths for cumulative measurements, and gain instant in-field insight for faster decisions. Let's take a look at how to access and use the measure line tool in Commander. In this example, I'm out in the field, have just completed a scan of a stope cavity, and have used onboard processing to generate a point cloud. I want to measure the height and width of a stope to determine whether it's been mined to design. Commander helps me to confirm this quickly without leaving the site. To begin, I need to enable the measure line tool in Commander. From the main interface, I open the Tools menu by selecting the Tools icon in the top right-hand corner. I then enable the measure line toggle under the measurements section. Once enabled, the measure line panel appears on the right. I can tap anywhere in the point cloud to place my first marker, and then tap again to place the second. A measurement line appears between them, and the distance is shown in meters. If I place a point incorrectly, or I want to measure to a different feature, I can move an existing marker by tapping it to highlight blue, and then selecting a different location in the point cloud. I can remove any existing points by reopening the measurement tools and tapping the bin icon next to each point in the tools menu. If I need to reset the entire measurement, I can select Remove All from the bottom of the list. And that's how you use the measurement tools in Commander to quickly check distances and clearances in a stope measurement scenario. To learn more, visit emesent.com.